going to explain about safety what? Safety questions about the welding and fabrication. Okay. So when you are doing your welding, make sure all these are in place. You get the point? Because at one time, if you fail to get this, a metal will fall on your what? On your foot or feet, and then you get injured. In most cases, when you put on a safety boot, there is always what? A metal. At the front part of the boot. That is a recommended standard or standard for the safety boots. And then overall, you need to make sure you put a full overall like I do, or an overcoat like he has. Some you take his video, that is an overall, overcoat that is put on, and is put on what? Also gloves. See that. What is lacking is what? The helmet, yeah? And what? The eyeglasses. Yeah? And then he also lacks what? Legging. Get that? And then he also lacks what? Ear. Okay? So in the case, because during welding, there is always sound. It affects your what? Your eardrum. Okay? Impairment. And then legging, as I told you before, it causes what? It can burn your trouser. You see that? But the type of trouser you must put on should be what? This kind of khaki. So that when these sparks jump over, they will not what? Burn. But if you put on this kind of material, what happens? You find holes. Okay? So therefore, when we are doing our welding, we make sure we have what? All this in place. Right now he's having what? Eye problems. The eyes are red. Somebody might think he drank yesterday because yesterday was eat day. Yet it's not. Okay? So thank you for your time, and I hope you have understood something at this short video. Thank you very much. Any questions? Anyone with a question about welding equipment? The normal term gives us what? P what? E, meaning personal protective equipment. Okay? Which are mentioned here. Okay? Alright. Thank you. If there are no questions, I beg to end here. Thank you. You can turn off.